Welcome everybody to this tutorial on how to install and use the DNotes QT wallet and also how to stake your coins. So the first thing you need to do is go to www.dnotescoin.com and you're going to want to scroll down to the download section where it says DNotes 2 and just choose the operating system that you use, and in my case that's Windows, and the software will download. So the first time that you run the DNotes QT wallet, you're going to see this screen here. And the first thing you are going to want to do is encrypt your wallet. So you're going to come up here to settings, and then you're going to go encrypt wallet, and then type in your password twice, click OK, and then you need to be aware that if you lose your password, you'll lose all of your coins. So make sure you remember your password and keep it safe if you copy it down anywhere. So then we click yes, and then click OK. And now I have reopened the DNotes wallet, and the only thing that's changed is it is now locked with a password. So in order to pay somebody else or to use the staking feature, I'll need to come here and unlock the wallet. Another really crucial thing that you are going to want to do is to create a backup of your wallet. And so that means that if something happens to your computer, you will still have a backup that will allow you to access your wallet from somewhere else. So to do that, you just come up here to File and then Backup Wallet. And then I would highly recommend saving it to a USB drive or secure cloud storage if you have that. And it's really, really important that you encrypt your wallet and put a password on it before you create your backup. Otherwise, your backup will not be password protected. So one of the first things you'll notice is there is a little green bar down at the bottom, which says synchronizing with the network. So you can see here that there's about 76,000 blocks of transaction history that have been processed, which means we've downloaded up to 3 weeks behind right now. And it's probably going to take all up maybe about 10 to 15 minutes for me to download the entire blockchain. So that's until it's up to date with all the transactions that have occurred over the network so far. If we come over here just a little bit, this again just shows us that that's whether we're synced up or not. So there will be a green tick when the wallet is up to date. And then over here, this little bar shows us how many active connections we have to the network. So that's how many pairs we have. So the more the better. But that's a perfectly fine number. This little green arrow here will be green if we are staking. And this little lock here means that the wallet is locked or encrypted. And if we look around in the other areas, we have a dashboard. We can see our spendable balance, our stake, any unconfirmed coins. We have a little news section, so you can click on these for the latest in cryptocurrency news. And over here we have you have all your recent transactions in a list. We also have a receive page, so if you want to give your address to somebody else to pay you, this is the address that you will use here. You just right click, copy the address and paste it to them. We have a send feature, so you can pay to, you can add labels, create an address book here. We have a transaction history page, and we also have an address book here, so you can just go new address, put somebody's name like Tim, throw an address in there, click OK, and that address will always just be saved in there if you want to choose Tim from your address book, and that's nice and easy. Now another cool thing that the DNotes wallet can do is it can stake your coins for you. So think of staking as running a copy of the blockchain on your computer, and that helps to validate transactions on the network, and the network then pays out regularly rewards to people that do staking. So you can expect to get approximately 2% per annum by staking, but there's potential to get more depending on how many other people are staking as well. So if you want to stake your coins, you're just going to come up here to settings, and then you're going to come down to unlock wallet. You are going to then type in your password, and you want to make sure that this little box here is ticked that says for staking only. So that means that even if your wallet is unlocked for staking, if somebody gets access to your wallet, they won't be able to make transactions or send your coins anywhere else. So your coins will still be safe. And then you're going to press OK. And if we come down here, we can see we've got a little tick, which means that the blockchain is up to date. And if we come over to here, we have a little gray upwards facing arrow. And when that little arrow turns green, it means that you will be staking. And there we are. We are now staking. We have a weight of 100 coins, and there are currently, I think, 37.5 million other coins being staked. And it would take me approximately 278 days before I earn the network reward if I have 100 coins here. Now, if you want to pay somebody using the DNotes wallet, you are just going to come up to send. So I'm just going to send to this address that I created before, and I'm going to send 10 DNotes there. But another really cool feature of the DNotes wallet is the automated invoicing system. So you can add an invoice number to any transaction. So if this here is the transaction, we can add an invoice number to it by putting a plus, and then we can put whatever invoice number we want. So say Tim's invoice. So then I'm just going to press send, press yes. Then we need to put in our wallet password, click OK, and then yes again. And then my other wallets, there we go, we can see it's sent, and my other wallet has already detected the transaction. So now if I go to the transaction page, you can see that I have received 100 DNotes earlier, and I have a couple of invoice numbers that are attached here. So that one I just did before, you can see that there's 10 DNotes and it's got the invoice number, Tim's invoice, which makes it very simple for people to track payments. And that, everyone, is a introduction on how to stake, install, and pay using the DNotes QT wallet.